Hi everybody, it's Amy from Bargain Beauty. So I am here to go over the Dollar Tree matchups with insert coupons only. Just to give you a heads up before we go into the video, if you have not watched a Dollar Tree coupon matchup from me before, I do not print coupons. There are other items available for free or inexpensive at the Dollar Tree. If you use printable coupons, it's just a personal choice. So the first item that I want to talk to you guys about, and what I've done in this video, it's going to be a little different than my other Dollar Tree videos with the coupon matchups, because I usually only do free items. I've included the free items, but I've also included a few more items that are low out of pocket. I think we've gotten to the point where we have evolved to where we can add some more items to our list. I did not want to overwhelm everybody at first and put a bunch of deals or matchups in my first couple of videos, because I know that not everyone is used to couponing at the Dollar Tree, and a couple of deals at a time is probably the best way to go when you first start couponing at DT. So the first, what I think is a great deal, and I've actually gotten this deal, is the Rubbermaid Tagalongs. They are from the 1211 Smart Source, the coupon. So the coupon is $1 off of 2, so you must purchase 2 in order to get this price. You will get them for 50 cents a piece. So that is a really, really good deal. You can also get this coupon from the Smart Source 1/8 if you do not have your coupons back from December. So the Bic Cover It or Bic pencils are available at Dollar Tree, and you can get this coupon. It's $1 off 1 from the 1/8/17 Smart Source. It expires on 2/18/17, so you do still have quite a bit of time to get these items, so you could go multiple times if you have multiple coupons. So we have the Culturelle Immune Defense. I have purchased this item myself. There's a $3 off 1 coupon from the Red Plum 12/4/2016. They will have to adjust that coupon down. You are not able to get 3 items even though the coupon is for $3 off, because it's off 1 item. Just to give you a heads up, this expires kind of quickly on 1/31/2017. So you want to use those coupons up as soon as you possibly can. So we have talked about these 2 deals before, but for those who have not seen this coupon deal or coupon videos before, excuse me, the Breathe Right nasal strips from 1/1/17 Red Plum is $2 off of 1, I believe. So you can get these completely free. Again, they will have to adjust down the coupon. And then the Jimmy Dean, they are the breakfast sandwiches, so those are in the frozen section. Not breakfast sandwiches, I'm sorry, breakfast bites. They're from the Red Plum 1/8/2017, and that is really good, but they do expire on 2/5, so you want to make sure you get in and use those coupons kind of quickly as well. So another item we want to get quickly is the Pedigree Dentistick Dog Treats. I have mentioned these in my last 2 videos, and these coupons came out in the Red Plum from 12/4/2016. They expire on 1/31/17. So you definitely want to get in there sooner than later. I have gotten these items and I've had absolutely no problem. This coupon works perfectly, doesn't beep, and you are good to go with your freebies for your fur pet. And if you do not have a dog, but you do have the coupons, consider getting these and donating them to your local animal shelter. So the Theraflu and the Triaminic are available from 1/1/2017 SS or Smart Source insert. So you have $1 off on the Triaminic Children's Cold, and that is absolutely positively something I have gotten at the Dollar Tree several times in the past. Unfortunately, they have not had it for the last couple of weeks in my store, but I do have a back stock, so I'm good, but you guys might not be. So make sure you can pick up your Triaminic, and you can also pick up the Theraflu sore throat or severe cold. They have the severe cold in my store. They do not have the sore throat. So these are again from Smart Source 1/1/2017. You can get Limeaway for super inexpensive, super cheap, out of pocket at 25 cents. There's a coupon for 75 cents off from the 1/1/17 Smart Source. It doesn't expire till 3/31/17. Funny story, March of last year, my first video on YouTube, I used Limeaway that I got for 25 cents to clean my tile bathroom floor. That was the actual video that I did. I wasn't sure I was going to do complete couponing videos, but I wanted to show products I got for low out of pocket and what I use them for. So that was my first video ever on YouTube, was 25-cent Limeaway from Dollar Tree, and I cleaned the tile in my bathroom. And I actually will insert that video in the description box if you guys are interested and want to check it out. Okay guys, so the Lysol Clean and Fresh, there's a 50-cent off one from the Smart Source 1117. It expires on 2/8, so make sure you get in there in the next week or so to get your item for 50 cents. That is an amazing deal. 50 cents is great for a name brand product. So another great food item that we have available to get is the Lance Sandwich Crackers. There's a $1 off 2 coupon from the Smart Source 1817. They're 50 cents a piece and you must buy 2. This is a great item to throw in lunch bags or just to have around the house for your children's snacks. And I have seen these in my store quite a few times. I'm actually going to put this in my envelope to try and pick these up ASAP. So the Atkins frozen meals has been in my last couple of videos. The coupon is from 1817 Smart Source. It doesn't expire till 3/31/17, and that coupon is amazing to get a free frozen meal from the Dollar Tree. Now they have gone on at my Dollar Tree that the coupons match up, so this was hard to find this week. I only got one, but they do carry them at the Dollar Tree, so make sure to look in your frozen food section and see if they have the Atkins meals available for you. So the Frank's Red Hot Sauce from the Smart Source 115.17, there's a 50-cent off or a $1 off. It was a regional coupon depending on your region which coupon you got. I was lucky enough to get the $1 off of one, so I will get that completely free. It will not go to our house because I don't like hot sauce. It will get donated, but 50 cents for that product if you have the 50-cent off coupon is also a great deal. So if you like hot sauce, now is the time to grab you some hot sauce at the DT. Okay guys, so here's another regional coupon. The Carmex Lip Balm from the 1117 Smart Source. You're either going to pay 25 cents for it or you're going to have a $1 off too. So, I'm sorry, you're either going to get 25-cent off coupon or you're going to get a $1 off of 2. So you're either going to pay 75 cents out of pocket or 50 cents out of pocket. Either way, still pretty good deal. I tend to get the Carmex at Walgreens when it goes on sale. I loaded up with like 16 of these. They weren't on sale too long ago. We used the coupon and we ended up getting them free. So I think Walgreens may be a better deal if you don't need this right now, but if you do need it because it is wintertime and you have those chapped lips, this is still a good deal because anytime you get any money off, you're winning, right? So it's a product you might have already purchased, and if you're getting it for a lower out-of-pocket than you would normally pay, you're absolutely winning. Those are my coupon matchups for you this video. Maybe next week I'll incorporate some more items that might be low out of pocket or free. It always depends on the coupons we have available to us and what they have available in the store. So I just want to say big thanks, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Give a big thumbs up. Comment down below, guys. Have you tried couponing at the Dollar Tree? Since you've been seeing these videos, I'd love some feedback to see how you guys are doing. I know this is going to be an uphill battle because I know it's not always super easy to coupon at the Dollar Tree. But guys, I really want you to start trying, and if you get frustrated, just try again. The thing about couponing is never give up. When I first started couponing at my Dollar Tree, it was difficult. I'm not going to lie to you. It was. For the first couple of weeks, it was very difficult. But if you're persistent and you follow the coupon guidelines that they have set by their corporate office, and you make sure that the item that you're getting 100% matches the item on the coupon, because you never want them to distrust you. You never want to grab an item that has a lesser count than the coupon states. So if it's a coupon and it says 15 or larger, not available for travel size, then you never want to get an item that has like 2 in it and then try and use that coupon. Because what we want to do is build trust with our cashiers and our store managers that we're there for legitimate deals, we're doing the right thing, so that they know when they see us in the store with coupons, they have nothing to worry about. They're going to get paid for the items that they are giving us the coupon discount on. So that is always a big concern for the managers, that they're not going to get reimbursed if they don't take the right coupon for the right item. So just make sure to triple check your coupons, make sure the item matches, and just be super nice and friendly and kind and be persistent. You can definitely go back the next time, deal with a different cashier, deal with a different manager, and you just don't know how much I was discouraged in the beginning and how my Dollar Tree now, they are so kind about couponing. The whole mindset has changed. So now I actually give coupons to some of the cashiers so that they can get free items or low out of pocket items. You know, if you get them in on the gig, if you get them in on what you're doing, and you make it more relatable for them, sometimes that is super helpful as well. If you can help them out, they help you out by not giving you a hard time, it works out for everyone's best interest. So thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give a big thumbs up, please. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.